Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel Vikasa Easy Learning. In this class, we are going to discuss about tangents. So you understood in my previous class. So what is tangent? Tangent is a line which is going to touch the circle at only one point. So then it is called what? A tangent. For example, if a line which is going to touch the circle at only one point, here. So if a line which is going to touch at only one point, so then it is called, then the line is called what? The tangent. These are all going to touch the circle at only one point. These are called the tangents. See here, for example, if we have a circle, for this circle, we can able to draw infinite, uncountable number of tangents. We can draw uncountable, infinite tangents from different exterior points. See here, on the circumference of a circle, we have infinite points. To each point, we can draw one tangent. Therefore, we can draw infinite number of tangents to a circle. No restriction to draw tangent like this. You can draw many tangents. There is no any restriction. We have infinite number of tangents to a circle like this. Okay. So here there are n number of tangents or infinite number of tangents can able to draw to a circle. If we have two circles, if we have two disjoint circles, then there are two types of tangents. What are the two types of tangents? So one is direct common tangents and another one pair, it is transverse common tangent. So this is how we have two pairs of tangents, two pairs of common tangents. If you draw tangent, the same tangent to both the circle is called common tangent. If you draw a tangent, it is going to touch, this is the tangent which is going to touch both the circle. This tangent is common for both the circle. Therefore, the tangent is called common tangents. So we can draw, there are four common tangents can able to draw to two disjoint circles. So here, this is called a direct common tangent. Since this tangent is going to touch the circle on one side of it. See here, only down. So here in this side only, both the circles are going to touch. But one more type of tangent, it is called transverse common tangent. So if you draw a tangent like this, it is going to touch the circles on either side of it. If the circles which are touching the tangent on either side of it, then the tangent is called transverse common tangent. This is called direct common tangent. So we have two direct common tangent. So for one more tangent, direct common tangent is parallel to this tangent is here. You can draw like this. This is also a direct common tangent. These two are direct common tangents, and we can draw one more transverse common tangent. This should be a straight line. If you draw like this is a transverse common tangent. These two are transverse common tangents and these two are direct common tangents. The tangents which are having water intersection on the same side of the circle. These two circles which are touching the tangents on same side of the tangent. So and these two circles are touching these transverse common tangent on either side of it. Okay, so therefore they are called, that kind of tangents are called transverse common tangent. In transverse common tangent, the circles will touch on either side of the tangent. Okay, so this is how we have four common tangents. Among four, two are direct common tangents and two are transverse common tangents. And if we have intersected circles, for example, if the circle is going to touch, one circle is going to touch other circle at one point, then we can draw two direct common tangents and only one transverse common tangent. In this case, we can draw only one transverse common tangent. But direct common tangents, obviously, we can draw two. Here one and here also one. So in this case, we draw two transverse common tangents when the circles are disjoint. If the circles are touching with each other at one point, then we can draw only one transverse common tangent. Therefore, how many common tangents can be drawn to two circles which are touching at one point is 3. There are 3 tangents we can draw. Have a look.